glasses.
Hey guys, Paul here from Let's Meal Prep. How you doing this week? Got Amy behind the camera.
Hey guys.
And guys, first thing we always want to do with our app is to empower you in the kitchen to cook food that you love. So just because we give you the recipes, you don't have to follow it step by step. And you're going to learn a lot from that today because we were kind of rushing. We really wanted to get it done today. I don't know. We woke up late and stuff happens. HEB was way overpacked with people.
Because we slept
there are no carts. So you know when there's no carts, that's a bad day.
Turn around, go home, order pizza all week. Not worth it.
So as we go through these, I want you to remember, hey, you know, make it your own. Always make it your own. We've got a kind of unique dish here. We haven't done this before, but this is actually pretty cool. It's got a salmon and quinoa patty. Also has a kale. We did a spinach and kale mix. And what else is in there? Shallots.
Quinoa, Old Bay, Dijon mustard. It's really good.
It is. It is tasty.
And high in protein.
Shoved a piece in my mouth with her hands and everything. And,
Yep.
And it was actually really good. Unless it was she had salty hands. I don't know. But then we paired it with an apple and kale. Apple and kale
it's like
salad.
an autumn.
Yeah, with
I mean, the high today is only 90.
Oh yeah. Holy
and it's
smokes,
getting
guys.
down to 50 something
This
tonight.
morning it was 63 degrees, or 68
It's full,
degrees.
y'all.
It was amazing. But we have some pecans and some dried cranberries in there. And then just whipped up a Greek yogurt, mustard, and an apple cider vinegar dressing here. Of course, you can make it your own. Hey, if you don't like apples, put peaches in there or put something else, grapes, whatever.
Pears.
But pears, yeah. But make it your own, guys. But we threw this together. Obviously, we cooked the salmon really fast. It was starting to fall apart. Well, I mean, we were
we were
just
rushing.
kind of getting impatient. That's the word of the day, guys. Patient. All right. Then over here, sweet potato and turkey hash. We were going to do bison, but they were out of bison today. That's our favorite when we do a hash. So we've got ground turkey in here with sweet potatoes. And then we just kind of beefed it up a little bit. We were going to put the green beans and zucchini in there with it, but we decided it was getting really big. So I decided to do that as a side dish.
Yeah.
And then we added black beans to it. Jalapeno.
Yeah, and it's taco season.
And the red bell pepper. Yeah, our taco seasoning, which we make on our own. Again, you don't have to do that yourself.
Super tasty.
Yeah, and if you don't like green beans, hey, do broccoli, right, Rosalind? All right. So
don't worry, we did get some broccoli in.
We did get some broccoli in, and this soup started off.
It's what?
It is. We're gonna call it
pieced together
green chili chicken and wild rice broccoli stew. I don't know, but it's pretty much like a green chili chicken stew here. We added, I'm not a big fan of corn, so we replaced that with carrots to keep that sweetness in there. But you can do corn. Corn makes sense in here, as Amy said.
Yes, corn makes sense in here. Carrots don't, but you know, whatever.
We added broccoli, kind of get more veggies in there. And did we add
well,
one?
we know
I guess it was the corn.
When we make soup for a meal, unless there are a bunch of veggies in the soup, we're not going to add a side of veggies. So we just put some veggies in it.
Throw it in there, guys. We put wild rice in here. You don't have to do the wild rice. You know, obviously, wild rice has its own flavor profile to it, so you know it's gonna. But I tasted it just now, and it wasn't too bad.
Wasn't too bad. There's a good endorsement for it.
It was good. It was good.
There we go.
I would probably even throw some Greek yogurt in there, make it a little creamy.
Okay,
just
then.
I don't know. I'm
Sounds
more like
good.
that, you know, a little Greek and Mexican.
Why not?
But guys, great dishes all the way around. I love the dishes we had last week. I know I'm gonna love these. This salmon is definitely.
It is very good.
Definitely recommend the salmon hash. We always love hash because we love it all together. And then, guys, it's getting cold, so get some.
Oh, it's freezing out there, y'all.
To wait for that. But you guys have an amazing weekend. Enjoy these dishes. Let us know what you like, and let us know what you want us to cook for you. All right, team.
Adios.
Take care. Bye bye.